who are allergic to Python, the Python allergic people. Sir, no matter what I do, Python is difficult, sir. So Python, that is similar to Python. Okay. So let's see, what is the output? What is the purpose? In order to find the output, okay, we have to, yeah, this is capital L, all are capital L. Okay. In order to find the output, we need to know how the code is happening. So people who doesn't have an idea how Python is going on, here we go. Right. First one, this is a variable that used to hold values. And if you use a box bracket, we call this one as a list. A list has multiple value, and these values can be called using their index. Index number 0, index number 1, index number 2, index number 3, index number 4, index number 5. Do you all agree with this? Okay. Make it ending. The next thing is there is a loop. This is a loop which repeats again and again. For I in L kilakiyanne, okay, I variable will repeat for all the values in L. I variable will repeat, okay, I variable will repeat for all the values in L, which means I will become 11 in one round. In the second round, it will become 5. It will become 17. It will become 18. It will become 23. It will become 50. Okay. If that I, what is this percentage? Modular division. Modular division. What do you mean by modular division? The remainder. The remainder. Okay. When a remainder occur, if it's equal to 0, L dot remove. It is a function that allows you to inbuilt function to remove the value of I. Okay, good. L dot sort is a function that allows you to sort the values. When you're sorting, it goes from ascending order to descending order. Small to big. Ascending order to ascending order to main. Print L. Now, this is basically, okay, this is basically the structure of your entire code. Did you all understand this scenario? Very simple. First of all, if you feel that Python is much more difficult for you, the first foremost thing that you all have to understand is, okay, you have to know what is this code in detail one by one. Once we know the code, let's run one by one and see. You have to run a dry run, okay, to see what is it. When we dry run, okay, let's see the values of I one by one. 11. At one point, you don't need to do all the values. Simply what you can do, okay, you will find out the answer. I will do it till you understand. Let's take 11, okay. 11 mod 2. What is mod? Modular division, remainder. 11 divided by 2. What is the remainder, Asma? What is the remainder? I'll say mod kiledanna. That is 1. Is 1 is equal to 0? No. If figure, no. Okay. What is the next thing we have it? 5. 5 mod 2. What is it? 5 divided by 2 remainder. Is it equal to 0? No. I'm doing this line. Okay. Next one, 17. 17 mod 2. Is it equal to 0? No, it is also 1. Okay. 18 mod 2 gives you 0. Hamatodu. If peka yes, and even the if becomes yes, what happens here? The list remove.I, L list k, that is the list of L, you remove a function called the value of I. What is the value of I right now? 18. So 18 will be Sakaboom Gileno. Okay, 18 will be gone. Ita passe, then you go for 23. 23, 1 kilocan divided by 2 will come 1, and that is not equal to 0. 50. Is 50 divided by 2 is equal to 0? Yes. Which means what? L dot remove I. L list k, you remove a function, the value of I, which will give you 50 removed. This is the answer. So these two have been removed. Then what happens is, before you print, let's do the sorting. The sorting of it will be, okay, sorting is ascending order. So you will have 5, you will get 11, 17, 23. And that will be the printing value. So output of the code will be 5, 11, 17, 23. Such an easy question. Python is extremely easy when you know what is done in there. Basically, you should know what is the code is. A code is done Python difficult. See, when you break down such like this, easy, ne? Okay. Yeah, this is the only much. Okay, the output of the code is this. 5, 11, 17, 23. So basically, what is the, okay, what is the, yeah, basically, what is the purpose of the code? So what did we do actually? Okay, to find out all the odd numbers in the given list and display as, we should complete that too. The purpose of the code is to find out, okay, or display all the odd numbers in a given list, in ascending order. Remember, okay, that's important. You have to say the ascending order because we did that. Purpose basically describes about what you have done. That's the purpose. So purpose is a paragraph, but right to the point. This is what I have done. That's it. So that is a simple 5 marks question under Python.